Now, to run a business online, you need some kind of system that works. Okay? System in the sense, what are the systems? First, these are the core values, core things that you need to know because this is what you want. Okay? From your business. Now, what is the system? What is the system you need to follow so that you don't have to be in front of the business all the time? And that is called automation. This is very, very important. Okay? Automation. In today's world. In today's world, if you want to run a business online, automation is the key. Without automation, you cannot run an online business. You cannot. Sorry, my friend. Actually, no one can run an online business without automation. No one. Those days are gone. Okay? Now, when I say automation, what does that mean? That means, if somebody comes to your website, see, website is, it's not you do not have to have a website or a blog or anything, but some kind of web presence you have to have where people will go and give their email addresses. We will talk in detail about that. So whenever a people is coming to your business, let's use this way. Whenever someone is coming to your business, you should have a mechanism to capture their details so that you can follow up with your people. Okay? You can follow up with your people. Because when somebody comes to your business, they will not buy at the front immediately. Okay? Unless they are very hot, unless they just want it desperately, they will not go and buy. But to make a but they are interested, right? They are interested. That's why they came to your business to see what it is. But then they went away. That does not mean that they are not interested or they will never buy. They are going to buy. But in order to do that, you have to capture their details. Because capturing what happens, see, after this iOS 14, right, whatever they launched, Apple, right, it's a direct fight with Facebook and Google, all the retargeting stuff. So, we cannot retarget to these people anymore. Okay, you cannot retarget. So now if I'm going a little advanced, so let's forget it. I will create another video on retargeting and how this iOS 14 is happening. Forgive me for that. Okay, so we are talking about automation, right? So you need to understand, you need to capture their details. And after that, first one is the automation rule. Number 1, capture customer details. Number 1, automation rule, capture customer details. That has to happen. Okay. Once you capture their details, what's the next thing? They should be able to get your product, right? Product has to be delivered to them. Delivery. Product delivery. Now, in your case, I will tell you, service, right? Let's say if you are selling affiliate products, how do you do the delivery? You don't have to do that. You just have to create a link and people click that, they will buy, you will make money. If you have a coaching business, then you say, okay, I have a one-on-one coaching or I have a group coaching. How to do that? Well, I'm covering that. I'm just going through basics, right? So delivery, you need to think of a way so that delivery should happen automatic. You don't have to individually send them emails or individually ping them saying, okay, thank you, you bought it. You cannot do it. It's not humanly possible. So delivery is the second most important thing that you need to remember when it comes to automation of your business. Okay, this is very important. After that, the third thing is follow up. Sorry, forgive my... Again, it's okay. After that, the third very important thing is follow up. Okay, because follow up is where most of the money comes. Okay, if you keep on following up with your people, you will make more money because at some point they will buy if you're giving them more value. Okay, now apart from these three, okay, these three are main components of automation. And once that happens, what you do? Now, once you take care of these things, your work is completely different because now you can focus on creating more value. Okay? Creating more value. Now, how do you create more value? Well, you can come up with different contents, right? In a regular time, create content. You need to create content because your entire product delivery automation is complete, okay? And here if I say follow-up, here also you are delivering value. Here also you are delivering value. In delivery, when you are delivering the product, there also you are delivering value. But today, we will focus in, this is creating more value so that you can, so see, once your business is automated, after that you don't have to focus on this because this is an automation, this is an engine that works night and day, okay, 24/7. And if somebody buys, you make money. You make money because if somebody buys. And I will show you how somebody will buy. But here, after that, it's all about you. It's all about how you are creating content for your end users, for your customers. How you are, you can focus on getting more knowledge. Okay, read books, go to seminars, attend conference. This is where you can focus on because so learning is growing. If you're not learning, you're not growing. Make sure you focus on learning because now you'll have time to learn. Okay, so that you can come up with more content, so that you can deliver more value. And when you deliver more value, you will make more money because you are getting trust, right?